How to set up Box Link on Discord. So first thing first, simply head over to your browser, any of your browser, and inside your browser, just make sure you have downloaded or linked your Box Link account to your official Discord account from here. So first, simply head over to your any of your browser and click on the blocks.link first website, and you will be redirected here. And simply click on the sign in Discord button over here. Once you click on that, you will need to authorize it like this, and once you authorize, you have to wait for some time and let it fetch the data to give it the access of your account. And once you download sign in with your option account, you simply head over to your profile icon, and below that there is a dashboard icon, and once you head over there, you can simply verify it like this. You can verify with the different methods like this. You just have to wait for some time for it to process, and you can verify it using your login credentials, etc. And you can also, what you can do is manage the servers, and you can also choose the servers which you want like this. And once you choose your added your servers which you want, then what you can simply do is simply hit back. Once you do that, it will definitely help you to for different types of role synchronization and nickname templates, etc. from the by going over to your settings applications. So hope this video was helpful. That's exactly how you can set up your box link in your Discord account. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next